Good evening once again to Mahanadi Time Productions. This is Kachri Chowk. We are near Sahi Stambha, and to my left side the newly constructed second bridge over Mahanadi, and in my front this is the Kachri road leading towards Golbazar, and this side road lead towards Jail Chowk, and my front is district court premises. Dear friends, it is New Sambalpur, and for that our government has constructed a flyover from Kachri to church, just to reduce the traffic problems of our city. Just my front, you see, there is a All India Radio, and this area has been developed by our government under the scheme, and our government has spent 4,500 crores. The strange is that, dear friend, this flyover has been constructed since before 2.5 years, but yet it has not been ready, and for this people are very much suffering, and till the government has not opened it for the general people. You see, this flyover is construction partly completed, but from the site of church it has not been completed due to the encroachment, and we urge our government, our administrations, and the local representatives to ask the questions in the floor about the slow delay of this particular flyover constructions. The important thing is that, dear friend, this flyover, if started, the traffic problem of our city Sambalpur become reduced, and the people who came from Athapalli area directly come to this flyover, and they will climb at Kachri area, and it will be a good connecting road for the people who are coming from Athapalli to Kachri. The Panda Constructions started these constructions since before 2.5 years, but due to some interventions and due to encroachment, illegal encroachment, it has yet not completed. Once again, we urge our district administrations, concerned department, and concerned minister to, in expeditious way, this flyover should be completed for the larger interest of the people of this city. Thank you.